You probably must have heard that a lot of people are making money selling ebook on Amazon Kindle. Amazon KDP is a platform where you can self-publish your own book and make a lot of money in dollars. In this video, I am going to share with you how to create an ebook with Canva. Canva is an online graphic design website. You can use the tool to create a lot of graphic designs ranging from presentation, logo design, ebook, graphics, and all of that. And I will be teaching all of these things in this channel. Hello everyone, my name is Pat Ugu. You are welcome to this tutorial. If this is the first time you are seeing my video, please consider subscribing. For those who have subscribed before, you are welcome. In this channel, I make videos around educational technology, digital tools that you can use to enhance your business. Please like the video so that YouTube will recommend it to others. You can as well share it with your loved ones. If you are ready, let's dive in. The very first thing I will do is to go to Canva. You can go to Canva direct by typing canva.com, or you just search on Google. Once you search on Google, you click on the first one. As soon as you are on Canva, you'll be required to sign in. I have already signed in with my account. Now, to create an ebook that you are going to sell on Amazon, this is the first step to start with. First, I will come to this search box and type ebook. So immediately I finish typing, it will suggest different ebook for me. I am going to choose ebook pages while selecting templates. Now, after loading, you will see different ebooks, but a clear look will show you that some of these templates are for pro versions. Look at it. Anytime you see crown like this, you know that those templates, you cannot use them for free. You need to be a pro version user to use them. So, but I am on a free version. What I will do now is to click on all filters button, then scroll down and choose free, then apply. What this will do is that it will remove all those pro templates and we are left with only the free templates. So now I can choose based on the type of book that I want to create. You can see that once you point your mouse on any of them, it will show you the inner pages of those templates. So assuming I like this, I will just click on it because this is the preview. Once I click on it, I will then click on this button that says customize this template. After loading, you will see what we have here. Page 1, page 2, where we have content and the rest of them. So what I will do is to now customize it. So the first thing is to change the title of the book. So I will click here and type my book title. Maybe I will say Computer Basics. I can resize it so that it will fit the page. Then another one, let's say I may decide to lift this thing up a bit. Let's say Understanding Computer Basics. I can decide to customize this one or delete it if I do not want to use it. I may just want something that is plain. I would press delete from the keyboard or use the one that you have from the screen. So you can go on and design it the way you want. If you are not seeing the screen very well, you can use this button to zoom in or zoom out. Now this picture here, you can as well make it bigger, just as you would have done in every other computer program, and you can change it assuming you don't want it. All you need to do is to go to Elements and type the new image you want, say computer, and press enter. Then you will see tons of images related to computer. You may just click on any one to insert it. So what I will do now is to delete this one and move this one in. If you don't like that image, you can as well go on to look for more professional image. Remember, you can also upload images from your computer. I've just clicked on a new image, then I'll position it well. Once I am okay with what I have, I can go on to change the color of the text. Just highlight it and click on color here. Then you can choose any color of your choice. Let's say assume I want this color so that it will blend well with the image. Then you can as well change the font from here. So all these things depends on how you want your cover to look like. Once you are done with designing the cover, you go to the next page where you have content. So you can then start to add your contents so that it will align with the book you are trying to publish. Add the chapter 1, chapter 2, and the rest of the chapters. When you are done, you can write about you, that is the author's page. You write about you just by a way of double clicking to highlight, then you start to type afresh. When you are done with that, you can go on to write the introduction, write the chapter 1, and the rest of the pages. So you can always bring in images to enhance the ebook as we have explained. When you are through with your ebook writing, designing, and all of that, the next thing you will need to do is to share it so that you can upload it to your website or to Kindle so that others will be able to buy and read it. Remember that you need to take your time to do all these adjustments, the page number, and all of that. So to share this book, I will click on the share button. Now, after clicking on the share button, you click on download option. From download option, you decide what type of file you are going to use. So I will not use PNG because it's an ebook. I am going to use PDF, and this PDF is for emailing. If you are expecting to print it, we'll have PDF printing option here. Then you select it and then choose the number of pages you would like to print. So I am selecting all pages. After that, you click on the download button. You can see the downloading here. I'm going to pause this video and come back when the downloading is through. Now our PDF is ready. So I am going to open the folder or just open the file direct. Here is our PDF document we just designed using Canva. You can share it with your loved one or upload it to Amazon KDP so that you will sell it and make some money in dollars. I hope you got value from this video. If you like it, please share it with others so that they will learn. Remember, you can use the comment section for any question or observation you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so that you'll be able to see our future videos. We also have a video on how to do 3D ebook cover. The link is in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.